first vlog and forever. I'm sorry, I've not been uploading forever. So, life is hard. We with my cousin. We're in one of the favorite cousin. Gotta get that right. Ooh, fight. But yeah,
You want school day?
and it's kind of like hot out here. This denim jacket I don't
Kevin Hart was on there.
Like I'm just and like so this morning we had breakfast and that breakfast was alright.
It was horrible.
What you had?
I had waffles and chicken. Bro, the chicken would not break. And then the waffles was like dry. I'm like, what?
So my breakfast, it was good. Like the pancakes were the pancakes were good. That French toast was nasty. That French toast had my stomach feeling weird. It had my stomach feeling bad.
Y'all,
I was so sick.
The eggs and the chicken was fake.
The eggs taste rubbery. The sausage was not sausaging. The bacon was not bacon.
That's why.
I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone.
Not TikTok.
I'm on the phone. Man, we do not provoke gang signs while I'm on the phone. Big love. Oh, look at Nicki Minaj right there.
Right there.
Her plastic behind. You didn't hear me say that. She is plastic. I mean, I ain't lying. She is plastic. I'm just saying. This is giving. That's a versus home.
You're not giving.
I am giving.
Did I mention what you want?
Oh, coffee circle. You can find it. Okay, so I have to cut the video because there's no place and the music is copyright. Okay, yeah, so we had to go outside because we weren't able to go outside. So I have to
Fight back. Yes, fight back.
You want to fight? It's fitting. I got up the shot. Like, what? I call like, what? We just look talk. Keep me. I want you to keep.
Yeah, like my Jordan.
Yeah,
Yeah, these my Jordan right here. At least they clean at the bottom. That's how you know they new. Got your weird.
This the fit.
Inside out. No, it's not.
It's the fit right here. Fit of all of us.
Mine's is better.
Girl, mine's is easy. I don't want to take no picture with y'all. I don't like people for real. What's wrong with you? My body is
Yeah, on the wall. Oh my head is freezing. Alright, move.
Why you acting like
You always act like that. There we go. You ain't get the book out.
What's your man up front?
There we go.
Kimmy, come right here. Okay, so there you go.
Oh, nice.
Come on, front to me. Stand there. Get out there.
Look, your baby was acting up with her daddy, and she had stopped when I got it.
Okay.
Where is it? All right, here.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
They don't know. Say cheese the ball.
Hold on, here. Get your sister. Don't drop her either. Oh, my God.
Can y'all come down some more?
She told me I'll find it.
No, I don't want to catch her.
Good out.
Oh, she already crying. Never mind. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on.
I want to hold her.
Say
cheese the ball.
I'm sorry. I know you don't like the cheese. I'm sorry.
There it is. What that is?
Water. What else is it?
Oh, no.
No one gets some water.
Are you ready to take a picture? Alright, go ahead.
Bye.
Hey, the boy.
She getting mad. She mad.
Can we hold it in front of everybody?
Come on, y'all ready? Goodbye.
Jermaine.
From the sky.
You got it or no?
Okay, I have to get your maid.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah. Y'all look
All right, go ahead.
Hey, Jermaine.
Say cheese.
Be careful when you have babies.
Okay, so we get put in touch. It's too long to take. Yes, it's too long to take one picture. Like, what? It's got hope. It's hope vlog camera. Heart to the vlog camera. You ain't doing nothing. Don't be doing that.
Yeah, don't be doing that. Get out of our video.
Girl, back out the shot.
Can you stop?
Y'all want to take a picture together? You want one, Sky?
No.
Are you want a picture by yourself?
No. My hair is not fixed.
I am a-okay.
Okay, you want to take a picture? You do a picture.
Because, you know, my lips are pink. Oh, so we were doing that. The lady she had, when she was the lady who walking by, she had put out her phone and started recording. That's it. I should walk up to the back. She was like, they over there getting it. I heard her. She was like, they getting it over there. Y'all, the sun is out and I'm out. Summertime, we're out.
I'm ready to go to the water park.
Me too, girlie, but I don't got my summer trucks on. I want you to. Let's go. Giddy walk rock. Yeah, I am so sorry. It took forever for that one video. Oop, there's a train.
Yeah, the train.
I was about to say after the train.
Chugga chugga choo choo. See, back in my day, we weren't privileged to ride on them. We had to walk around the mall and watch the other little privileged white kid walk around on there.
Like the same, right?
I bet you, Ma. It's hot. It's hot. I don't want black. Going. Ah, see that thing throw you up on the air and twist you around. That thing throw you up in the air, twist you around, and all the bunch
This was good.
Okay, so I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get out this place because it's kind of loud in here. Okay, y'all, so we're hella bored. Like, we've been here for like maybe like 10 minutes. It's fucking boring. Fucking boring this place. Like, what the fuck? I'm sorry. But like, yeah, we my siblings over there playing copyright music. You wanna go stand over there?
I don't understand. I had 22 yesterday.
Hold this one. Look, girl, go to play that copyright music. Music that I cannot have in my video playing. Like, yeah, we try to have some fun. Like, we try to spend, it's cousin time. Like, why the fuck we still in this bitch? Like, what?
We're on a vacation, bro. Come on.
Free us. Like, here, Jill, we locked up. We're locked up. My sister about to play. Oh, do it again. You won't. Do it again, you won't. Oh, you better put it in your pocket. Oh my God, I have to go because she over here playing copyright music and she's slow. Oh my God. I he autistic. Anyways, yeah, y'all, I'm not making fun of that autistic. It was just, I don't know why I said that. I'm sorry. But yeah. What you doing?
They can't dance. Y'all can see them dance. If y'all could see them dancing, y'all wouldn't believe that we.
I'm about to show you a clip. Okay. Dance. Okay, yes, y'all. So that's the end of the first part. I'm up on the second part when we get done because like we're just staying here for it. But like, any last words you want to say to the vlog before I end it? Help us. Look at the man still being. Okay, bye.